What is Kartra? Well, in this video, I'll be answering that question for those of you looking for an all-in-one marketing solution to run your online businesses. And in a moment, I'll also be sharing with you how you can get your hands on my 12K bonus stack. So be sure to stay to the end and also like, comment, and subscribe. So let's get started with the basics. What is Kartra? Kartra is an all-in-one marketing platform designed to help businesses of all sizes help manage and automate their online presence. It literally centralizes all the tools you need in order to run a successful business. So instead of needing separate tools for your landing pages, your membership sites, your websites, and your email marketing, including your sales funnels, Kartra has everything under one roof, making it much easier, more cost-effective, and less stressful for entrepreneurs and business owners. So let's talk about some of the features in Kartra that stand out, and let's see what they have to offer. Now, if we have a look, the first feature they have is Pages. So Pages essentially replaces your Shopify's, your big e-commerce, or even your WooCommerce. Anything you want to sell online, you can use Pages to do this. So let's have a closer look. So as it says, sell your products through Kartra, innovative checkout and product delivery systems. So with Pages, you get secure checkout technology, you get to have an effective affiliate program, but you can also implement upsells, downsells, and one-click sales. And best of all, you can provide flexible pricing structures. So with this feature, it makes it very easy for you to sell physical products and online products all in one place. Now, the next feature is Communications. Now, Communications is your in-house, inbuilt email autoresponder. So this removes the need for you to have an Aweber, a GetResponse, a MailChimp, and many more autoresponders out there because everything is under one roof. So with Kartra's communication feature, this will enable you to build a powerful email list, and it's just as good, even better than some of the well-known brands that we have out here, like the Awebers, GetResponses, and so forth and so on. The next feature Kartra has is Pages. Now, Pages is essentially your landing pages and your websites. This is where you can go ahead and build landing pages that are very effective. All you'd have to do is go to the right and press Pages, and you will have access to a lot of templates. And as you can see, we have a lot of options depending on what your objective is. So if I go ahead and say my objective was to market my ebook, I would press select. I'd create a page name. So testing ebook, category, no category in particular for this. It would load and then it would give me the option to customize it. So let's customize and change the image to an ebook, press confirm and apply. And then you can customize this section here. But there's a really cool feature that makes your life easy. If you go to the left-hand side, you're going to see generate with AI. So if I press that, it's going to ask me what kind of content do you need? So of course, we're promoting an ebook. So I'm going to say, I want you to write me content for my ebook on video ranking, where I share tips on how to place products and services on the front page of Google and YouTube using video SEO. The next question they're going to ask you is what tone would you like this to be written in, essentially. So I can say academic. Now you have the choice to write in multiple languages, depending on what package you've selected. However, there's a section here called AI business settings that I will explain in the next video, but all you have to do is press use Kartra AI and let's see what it comes up with. Within a second, it's giving me some great copy, so let me read it out for you so you can understand how powerful this tool is. Mastering video SEO. Welcome to my ebook on video ranking, where I share valuable tips on leveraging video SEO to position your products and services on the front page of Google and YouTube. In this comprehensive guide, I will walk you through the essential strategies and techniques to enhance your online visibility and reach your target audience effectively. By the end of this ebook, you will have a profound understanding of video ranking and be equipped with the knowledge to propel your business to the new heights through powerful video marketing. And it even customizes a download free button. So this is the power of Kartra. You do not need to be a super expert at copywriting. All you have to do is pick the style that you need and you can go ahead and customize your landing pages and your websites within seconds. So let's return to the dashboard to check out the rest of the features. The next feature is Forms. So this is where you create an opt-in form to go to a specific email list for all your funnels and websites. So it's pretty self-explanatory, but it's a nice feature. It's kind of part and parcel with the communication section, but it's good to acknowledge and know that you have that readily available for you. Next, you have memberships. Now, for those of you who want to create membership sites, you do have the ability to have access to unlimited membership sites, depending on how many you want to create, and it has all the features that any membership would need. So just to have a brief look, you would name your membership site, video ranking school, let's say, and it would load up for you to be able to start editing. So you would give it a website. Let's just say I gave it one of the websites. You would press save. It would ask you, is it password protected? I'll press save, and then you'd save and next. Here's where you could edit the content. So I would launch the builder. And as soon as you load it, you're going to get a welcome message, which will give you a tutorial just to show you where things are. So press start tutorial. It will show you where the category bar is, where the top header is, where the new posts are, where the sidebar content will be hosted, and where post contents will be hosted. And then how to customize or where your logo is going to be placed. And then you can choose your branding colors depending on the theme of your logo and what you're going for. And then on the top right-hand side will be the user menu where you'll be able to search, check your profile, check the sitemap, and actually log out. And then on the far top right, whenever you're building a membership site, this is where you get to save it. So whenever you make an action, maybe you change your fonts, maybe you change an image. After you do that, it's always good to go here, press actions, and it will give you the options to save and preview or save and close. So this is just an idea of what you'll be able to see when you get into the membership section. You will be able to drag and drop, and then you can get to customize everything according to your liking. But we can do that in another video. I just wanted to show you that if you are interested in a membership site, Kartra has everything you need in order to be successful launching multiple, in fact, unlimited membership websites. So the next feature is webinars. Now, I'm not signed up for that particular package because it's not something I need, but if you do need it, you can go to the growth plan, which will allow you to have at least 300 attendees on your webinar. And then the other package above that will allow you to have 1,000 attendees on the webinar, but we'll go through that towards the end. And the next feature is media. This is where you can host your videos, your images, your audio, and other files. This is really good because, for example, if you have a membership site or a course you're running and you want to host your videos on YouTube instead of Kartra, your customers may be hit with advertisement, and that's something you don't want to do. So uploading and hosting all your video material on one platform means that you can control exactly what your audience is seeing. And it also enables you to be able to let them download specific files and audios, which makes it very, very convenient if you're running a membership site or an actual course. Now, the next feature is calendars. This essentially replaces your Calendlies. So you can brand your page, you can get notifications and reminders. You can set up the calendar where you can set up free appointments or paid appointments, which is very handy depending on the type of business that you are running. You can set up your holidays and lunch breaks so people know that you are not available, which is automatically done, which is great. You can define your own scheduling times. And with all of this, you get a centralized dashboard. So this is probably really great for consultants. And most of all, it's another tool that you don't need to pay separately for because everything is under one roof. Now, the next feature is surveys. Now, I personally don't use this feature, but it can help you gain a deeper understanding to your customers and students to find out exactly what they like, what they don't like. And with that information, you can optimize your whole marketing strategy in order to provide more value and get more sales. Help desk is another feature that is useful if you're running a course, membership site, or even e-commerce. This will help you be able to support your customers by providing you with the ability to have a ticket system that can help the inquiries of any customers that you actually have. Now, the funnel feature is essentially a visual feature. So let's just click to have a look. New funnel tester, testing funnels. Let's just create, and it's going to load the funnel builder. Now, essentially what you get here is a visual representation of your marketing strategy when it comes to your full funnel. And whilst this is powerful, is as you're dragging and dropping, you are actually not just visually creating it, you're tangibly creating it. In other words, all you have to do is click on one of the assets and the landing page will pop up, or whatever part of the funnel will pop out, giving you the chance to edit it and customize it to your liking. So this is a very powerful tool to have. And once again, another tool you don't have to pay separately for because everything is centralized. Now, the campaign section gives you access to the marketplace where you can get access to multiple funnels. And I think this is probably one of the highlights of Kartra because not everybody is a funnel expert. So you're able to go and get pre-made funnels that you can upload and deploy and start customizing straight away. So for example, let's just say I liked this funnel. There are paid options and there are free options. Let's say I wanted to have a look at this funnel right here. I would press view details and you'd have a nice screenshot of what it looks like. But if I wanted to get a live feel, I'd go to the live page. And here you're going to see exactly what you would get if you decided to purchase this funnel and landing page. And I think it's pretty great. All you'd have to do is customize it to your needs and then you're off to a great start. So right here, you've got campaigns. So you can get a product launch, you can get webinar sequences, you can get email sequences and others. Right here, you've got membership templates and here you've got single page templates, everything from squeeze pages, long sales pages, product launches, webinar registration, affiliate pages, and blogs. So with this, there's no need to get hosting. There's no need to have a WordPress site. Everything can be done here, saving you hundreds of dollars or pounds a year. Now, the next feature is integration. This is useful because it allows Kartra to speak to third-party apps. For example, you've got Kajabi, you've got Google Calendar and Meets. You've got Zapier, which is really good because with Zapier, you can link multiple apps together. You've got Stripe, which is a payment platform, and you've got PayPal, which is another payment platform. So this feature is really useful because it helps you once again centralize all your activities. And then last but not least, you've got the agency option if you decide to sign up for that plan. So you can act as an agency owner, create new accounts, oversee subscriptions and control account access yourself, or you can opt for co-ownership by connecting to an existing account. Your clients retain control over their accounts and subscription. This enables you to set up your clients efficiently. So if you are interested in that, then there is a package available for you, which we'll look through in a moment. But essentially, those are the key features of Kartra. So who is Kartra for? Kartra is for entrepreneurs, membership site owners, course creators, and small businesses who are looking for an all-in-one solution to streamline all their marketing and business activities. Now that we've had a look at Kartra's key features, let's go ahead and look at some of the pricing plans to see what would best fit you. Now, Kartra does offer you a 30-day free trial in order for you to test the platform. So definitely click the link below to get access to that, along with some other goodies that I'll be showing you in a moment's time. But their first offering is the starter plan. Now, with the starter plan, that's $119 a month. But with that, you get 0 transaction fees, unlimited emails, 2,500 contacts, 1 domain, 1 language, and 5 team members. But you also get unlimited pages and forms, unlimited emails and sequences, unlimited memberships and courses, 100+ ready to launch campaigns, calendar scheduling and booking system, and full access to Kartra's support team. Now, the next offer they have, which is deemed as their best value offer, is $229 a month. So you get to unlock all the features that you get here, but instead of 2,500 contacts, you get 12,500 contacts. You get 3 domains, you get unlimited languages, and 10 team members. Now, you do get all of the starter features, but you also get the funnel simulation, you get webinar access with 300 attendees, you get access to an affiliate management system, you get advanced automatons, you get access to surveys and quizzes, you get access to help desk, and you also get full access to Kartra support. Now, the professional package is $549 a month, but you get everything from the starter and growth, except you get 25,000 contacts, 5 domains, unlimited languages, and 20 team members. But you also get real-time funnel analytics, you get webinar access, but you get to have 1,000 attendees, you get help desk live chat, and full access to Kartra support. And the last offering is the enterprise offering, which is $999 a month, where you get 250,000 contacts, 50 team members, 50 custom domains, and webinar access to 5,000 attendees. Now, this is everything you get when you do the monthly plan, but if you want to save up to 22%, then the yearly plan is much cheaper. For example, the starter plan helps you save $240 a year. The growth plan helps you save $480 a year. The professional plan helps you save $1,444 a year. And instead of paying $999 a month, For the enterprise, you will be paying $750 a month. Now, if you're just starting out a small business, I recommend you go with the starter plan after you've done the 30-day free trial. That way you can build everything you need within the system, letting you know what else you need if you do need anything else. Then you can upgrade according to your needs. But if you're a business that's looking to grow fast, then I would definitely recommend the growth package because it is the plan that gives you the best value and you don't want to slow down your business because you can't keep up with demand. So that's my quick overview of Kartra. If you're interested in supercharging your business, then grab a free trial below in the link. But before you go, I want to give you access to my 12K bonus stack. Now, my 12K bonus stack helps solve one problem that every business has, and that is traffic. Most businesses fail within the first year simply because they cannot get in front of their target audience. But with this bonus stack, I'm going to give you access to the 24-hour ranking system. Now, this is something that's going to help you place products and services on the front page of Google for free on two of the world's biggest search engines, YouTube and Google. Now, this means you no longer need to spend money on ads to be able to run a viable business. And the 24-hour ranking system is going to help you to be able to do just that. Next, I'll be giving you access to this 12K bonus license so you can give away this very bonus stack to your audience and customers in order to provide a lot more value. Now, this is probably one of the biggest parts of this bonus stack, which I'm excited to share with you. You're going to get weekly access to my mentor, Paul Murphy, who's going to show you how to place products and services and drive targeted traffic to your offer. And last but not least, you're going to get access to the 4-day Google ranking challenge. Now, this is going to help you get your first listings on the front page of Google to help you build confidence and get excited about applying this very strategy to your membership sites, your courses, your affiliate offers, and your online business. So if you're looking to supercharge your online marketing efforts, then this 12K bonus stack is something you need to take advantage of, and you can get it by signing up for Kartra in the link below. Now, just to recap what you're going to get the 24-hour ranking system. You're going to get unlimited private weekly coaching from my mentor, Paul Murphy. You're also going to get access to give away this very bonus stack for free to your audience. And last but not least, you're going to get the 4-day ranking challenge to help you get your very first listings on the front page of Google. Now, if I just gave you that, you would have everything you need to supercharge your business. But I want to add more value, and I'm going to give you access to List Prodigy. Now, List Prodigy is going to show you how you can own your very own personal ATM cash machine that pulls thousands of dollars per day in your sleep by using email marketing. Now, with this over-the-shoulder course, you're going to learn how to get access to unlimited traffic. You're going to get access to closely guarded secrets that definitely help your open rate. And once again, you are going to be taught by a super affiliate that's going to show you how to leverage AI to make all of this possible. So this is definitely newbie friendly. Now, normally this is $197, but when you sign up for Kartra below, you will be getting this for free. Last but not least, you are going to get access to 90 Make Money online courses. This covers everything from affiliate marketing to e-commerce, to video marketing, to Amazon FBA, and even Bitcoin. This is really good because you can use this to improve your skill set, or you can use some of this information to inspire your courses or your membership sites. Once again, just to recap what you're going to get access to if you decide to purchase Kartra through my link below. You're going to get access to the 24-hour ranking system. You're going to get access to unlimited private weekly coaching calls with my mentor. You're going to get a license to give away this very bonus stack. And you're also going to get access to the 4-day Google ranking challenge, 100% for free. But I've also topped it up by giving you access to List Prodigy and 90 Make Money online courses. Now, all you have to do is go to evanslutu.com/Kartra or go to the links in the description or pin to the top of the comments, and you will land on this page where you could put in your name and your email, where you will get access to all the bonuses discussed in this video, helping you supercharge your business, increasing your chances of success. Thank you very much for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment if you have any questions. I'll be more than happy to answer them in the comment section. I'll see you in the next video.